guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have new hair. You know, whenever I have new hair, I come on here and share with you guys. So yeah, I'm rocking bangs like for the first time, and I'm also doing my first hair review. A company by the name of Beauart reached out to me from Amazon to try this wig, and I was really excited. I was like, of course. So yeah, the hair came in this packaging right here. So it says 100% Remy human hair wig. On Amazon, it said Brazilian body wave. I can kind of see that because the texture is a little bit more fuller. It's a little bit more silkier, but you know, you can use like cornstarch and stuff like that to kind of tone down the silkiness and stuff like that. The wig has bangs. I moved my bangs a little bit to the side. You guys know I've not been fan of bangs because of my head, but I'm trying it for the first time, and so far it's not bad. So yeah, you have to kind of move it a little bit around to see where you want your bangs. You can move them to the middle, the side, and stuff like that. So that's what I did. So the hair has great movement. It's lightweight, like I said. The curls are amazing. I'm gonna turn around to show you guys right here. The wig was about, I think, $68 or something, which is not really bad for human hair. In the packaging, they gave me 2 wig caps right here. And yeah, I pretty much threw on the wig the minute I got it. I didn't do too much to it because I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looks like. So I pretty much moved around the bangs and, you know, have a wig cap on, and that's it. So I'm coming on here like just as it is. I didn't want to manipulate it too much because I want to show you guys all the stuff. So yeah, I'm going to leave all the information down below so you guys can check it out on Amazon. But overall, I mean, it's a really, really beautiful unit. I definitely would be wearing this for a while because there are times that I don't want to deal with my own hair. And it's nice to have bangs so you don't have to really leave any of your hair out. So if you're natural, this would be a really great wig for that. But yeah, overall, I mean, I really love it. So yeah, you could tweak the part a little bit, like you could move it here. You could take like a little bit of bobby pins or something and move it here. But yeah, there's so many things you can do with the wig. You could wear it into a little ponytail, put a little headband, and rock that headband style wig. Yeah, but overall, like, it fits really nice, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a clip of, you know, everything else on the inside of it. But yeah, so this is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.